understanding the power within, simply, easily. What fills your mind? What fills your heart and soul? What words play in your head often? What feelings do they give you? What types of pictures, what types of thoughts are in your mind often? What can you see when you close your eyes? What kind of emotion does it give you? Does it make you happy? Do you feel love? Do you feel excitement? What fills your mind? What words, what pictures are dominant in your thoughts throughout the day? We ask because this, you see, will become your life. Your words, your thoughts, your pictures, filled with the belief in them and the emotions they give you, will over time come to life. And you must be aware of this so that you can change those words, those thoughts, the pictures in your mind, until you get an emotion that makes you feel good, until you think of something in your mind and it makes you happy. Because this is the way you want your world to go. You want to be happy. You want to feel loved. You want the positive to show up for you. And this happens when your mind plays with happy things. This happens when your mind plays with love and with joy and with contentment. The contentment of the now. The contentment of knowing that where you are is a beautiful place to be, because it is your stepping stone to the next place, and then the next, and then the next. You see, you have to be somewhere. You must have a starting point. And if this starting point pleases you, that is good. If this starting point does not please you, that is okay as well, for you now know what you do not want, and you can start to picture the things that make you happy, the things that will bring you joy, the things that will fill your mind with loving thoughts. What is in your mind? What do you think about? What dominates your day as you move along? If nothing is dominating, start to allow your mind to be dominated with joy. Look for it in everything. Look for it everywhere and feel it. And know this joy is a gift. What pictures do you have in your mind? What thoughts are you sharing with others? What thoughts give you a strong belief? Do these thoughts make you happy? Are these thoughts something that make you defensive? Are these thoughts something that you feel another should believe along with you? We would like you to know that everyone creates their own world, and there's no need to push your ideas or thoughts onto another. The best way to help someone, if you feel that they need some help, and now you must remember that even if you feel they need help, that does not necessarily mean that they do, because they could be in the spot that they need to be in to learn things in this life. However, if you are feeling that you should help someone, the best way to help is just to offer joy and to offer love, and not to push nor offer the judgment in your mind. But usually it's enough to have to work on your own world. And as you do this, you set an example for the others of joy, of love, of peace. So we ask you to think and to pay attention to understand and realize what you are creating. There are no real surprises in this life if you start to pay attention, if you start to really pay attention to those words that roll around in your mind, to those pictures that show up in your thoughts, to the emotions they give you. This is a clear indication of where you will be going in this lifetime. Find things that give you joy. Find things that give you love. Find things that make you happy. And watch as your world turns into this. Everything takes time, for your beliefs must change to follow these new thoughts, these new words, these new emotions. So you must block out those who would talk you out of it. And know this is your life, and you choose. You choose the words. You choose the thoughts. You choose the pictures. You choose the beliefs. You choose the emotions. You choose to make your life better. One word, one thought, one belief, one emotion at a time. Take it in small steps and enjoy the journey as joy and love show for you more and more and more. We wish for you love in your life, peace in your mind, joy in your soul.